Big Herc 916, getting down with Muscle Up. Over here, I talk about nothing but my car passion. Make sure you guys subscribe, share the channel, and hit the notification button so we can grow this channel as big as my other channels. I'm a big car guy, and I love reading different articles about cars and performance and what they got coming out. Everything from muscle cars to hypercars to supercars to JDM. You know, I'm really a car guy. And this is interesting. The fastest street legal supercar promises the closest feeling to driving an F1 car. The Delage, a French automaker, has declared that their hybrid supercar D12 will be the world's fastest vehicle for public roads. The company earlier declared that D12 hybrid supercar will revive the brand, which was founded in 1905 and ceased operation in 1953. Back in 2019, the car, which will only be produced in 30 pieces and sold worldwide, will come with two canopy options, Speedster and the F1. The closed canopy is replaced by a smaller windshield attached to the front of the Speedster, and a small wind deflector is added to the F1 version. They have somewhat similar appearance, although there are some noticeable distinctions. The only interior covering on the Speedster is a windshield up front. It has an entirely open top, but the F1 has a smaller wind deflector compared to the Speedster. The Delage also provides a halo and helmet if this thing feels too fierce. That's how crazy it is. 3 different driving options are available depending on how you feel, thanks to the removable and repositionable cover for the cockpit. The 7.6 liter V12 engines that power both versions of the D12 produce 612 feet of torque at 6,200 RPM and 976 horsepower at 8,200 RPM. The electric motors are added and make the difference. While the Club only receives 20 horsepower electric motor, the GT gets 110 horsepower electric motor. The GT version's additional electric motors result in 1,100 horsepower. The Club model, in contrast, produces 1,010 horsepower, despite weighing 200 pounds less. Compared to the GT, which weighs 3,086 pounds, the D12 Club is lighter at 2,888 pounds. A single clutch gearbox with 8 speeds is paired with the engine. The automobile is reportedly capable of reaching 62 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. The company is sure it can also break the Nürburgring lap record. The D12 has 2 open-top driving configurations, each costing $190,000. However, clients may get both for $260,000 and save $20,000 in the process. Of course, this cost is addition to the vehicle's startling base price of $2.3 million. Customers can also request a helmet and protective halo. So you're talking, you know, Pagani, Bugatti, Koenigsegg. I mean, these aren't, you know, cheap cars. You're going to be paying. The D12's unconventional seating arrangement, which pairs the driver and passenger, gives the supercar a fighter jet-like aspect. A team of seasoned racers, 16 FIA world titles, has been testing and developing the D12 at the French Formula One track at Magny-Cours. The Delage wants to build just 30 D12s, but has not stated when manufacturing or deliveries will start. So this is not a hypercar for the lighthearted. If you're in the fighter jets, you're in the F1, you're in the driving fast, you're in the scaring your passenger, this is the car for you. It's no joke, all performance. I don't think you're going to be carrying too much luggage with you on this car. You know, definitely a track monster, and I'll be curious to see what it does when it does hit Nürburgring. I didn't see this car this year at Monterey. I guess it was at Goodwill Speed in England, but interesting car, man. Lot of cool stuff coming up as far as with technology and how they're doing 3D printing now and carbon fiber. You know, the car game has just stepped up to a whole nother level, and you know, you can't overlook what direction they're going in. but I still like to look back to see where they came from. So it's interesting to see the transition in the car game and how they're using now just different technology to advance performance levels to, you know, mind-blowing speed, you know, and this car being a hybrid, I mean, instant torque, you got combustion engine, I mean, it does everything, but we'll have to see how it actually, you know, stands up to the test of time in the market, and when it does come to the market, how people respond to it. So leave a comment, share the channel, pick you up some merch at muscleupdetailspray.com, and hey, look forward to sharing the next video with you guys.